student, Namaskar. Today in this video we are going to perform one interesting experiment of science and technology part 1 for SSC board practical examination. Aim of today's experiment is to study the reaction between sulfuric acid and zinc powder or zinc dust and identify the type of this reaction. So student, let's start this interesting experiment. Science with Sandeep sir, Science and Technology part 1, Practical Examination SSC board. Experiment number 2, part B. Aim of this experiment is to identify the type of reaction by studying the reaction between dilute sulfuric acid and zinc dust. Apparatus for this reaction we require a test tube, pair of tongues, glass rod, and the chemical we require for these experiments are zinc powder and dilute sulfuric acid. Student, we require some apparatus for this experiment. First, this is test tube stand and this is special test tube having thistle funnel with rubber cork. Then test tube holders, glass rod. Now chemical we require, that is dilute sulfuric acid and a zinc metal in a powder form. This is zinc dust. This chemical we require to this experiment. Now let's start this experiment. Observe carefully. First, take some zinc powder in this test tube with help of this glass rod. A very small quantity of zinc dust take into test tube. Then fix this thistle funnel with rubber cork to test tube. Now add this sulfuric acid through this thistle funnel in the test tube so that another end of these thistle funnels are remain inserted in the solution. Observe carefully and see what happened when we add dilute sulfuric acid in the test tube. When sulfuric acid get react with zinc powder, some air bubbles comes out, means gas is released and we obtain colorless solution of zinc sulfate. Now which gas is released? See, observe here at the this end of test tube. Observe carefully. A colorless gas get released from this gas tube. When burning matchsticks, when bring to this near to gas, a popping sound is produced, and that time that gas itself start burning with a specific flame. Means this gas is not help to burning, but itself a combustible, and therefore it is a hydrogen gas. And therefore friends, we conclude that when sulfuric acid react with zinc dust, it form a colorless zinc sulfate solution and colorless hydrogen gas is released. And this hydrogen gas is, when we burn this hydrogen gas, it burn with a blue flame. Here we obtain a flame of hydrogen gas. Means zinc dust react with sulfuric acid, zinc or take place of hydrogen ion from dilute sulfuric acid to form a new substance of zinc sulfate, and hydrogen gas is displaced, and therefore, this reaction is a displacement reaction. See the reaction between dilute sulfuric acid and zinc dust and a clear flame here we obtain. Now write this observation in this answer sheet. First write chemical equation of this reaction, that is zinc Zn plus, Zn is in a solid state, plus sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, which is in aqueous solution, gives Zn replace hydrogen from H2SO4 and gives ZnSO4, which is in aqueous, and hydrogen gas is released. Zinc is more reactive than hydrogen, and therefore zinc replace hydrogen to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. Observation of these reactions experiment is a colorless gas is liberated and glowing splinter gets extinguished and the gas burn with blue flame producing popping noise. The zinc powder disappear and colorless solution is obtained. Now write the reaction, again equation of this reaction in this table, that is Zn plus H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2. Hydrogen gas is released. Here the reactant are Zn and H2SO4, means number of reactant are 2, and in this reaction we obtain the two product ZnSO4 and hydrogen, therefore number of products are 2. Interesting features of this reaction is hydrogen ion or hydrogen are replaced by zinc metal, because zinc is more reactive than hydrogen. Zinc replaces hydrogen from sulfuric acid, and therefore it is a displacement reaction. Type of reaction is a displacement reaction. Now, what is the conclusion of this experiment? Student, we come on the conclusion of this experiment as the reaction in which more reactive ion displace less reactive ion from another compound and form new substance is called displacement reaction. Another example of displacement reaction is when iron is reacted with copper sulfate solution, here iron is more reactive than copper. Iron displaces copper from copper sulfate solution and we obtain new substance as a ferrous sulfate, and copper get deposit on the surface of iron article or iron nails. This is the another example of displacement reaction. Student, I hope you understood this experiment very well. Thanks.